Hello everyone, my name is Ernesto Jimenez. I'm data analyst and also part of the Power BI user group Barcelona, and I'm here to talk about Measure Killer. As you can see, we are in the web page of Measure Killers. We can here have the list of the futures, the pricing, and other things that we can find in this web page, like the free download link. If we go here, we can find that we have two versions of the tool. The first one with the admin rights and also the portable version. And this is Measure Killer. This is the full list of the features. We also have many paid, but also a list of free features. If we go here to analyze a single model, we can see I already have two Power BI opened, two reports. I will select the first one and I will run. This is the app. This is Measure Killer. As you can see here, we can run a full model analyze or also a partial run. If we press in partial runs, we can see that we can select some of the table and not run all the model. But in this case, we are going to run the whole model. We can see here the full summary of this model, and we can go a quick tour for the main features, on my opinion. Here we can have the list of the unused things in the model. For example, we can have here these columns in red are not used in the model. In yellow, we have the unused by the used by unused. If we can go quickly, we can press here in the unused and we will have the summarize of the things that we are not using. Also, we can have a view for tables. We can see here that we have 4 tables that are used but in an unused way. Also, we can go to the report result view where we will have all the pages that the report has. And for me, this is the best, one of the best features that the tool have. We can analyze the bookmark, knowing which are the affected visual, the affected page, or the options that the bookmark has. This is very useful when we have a report that wasn't decided by us and we don't know what the bookmarks do. Also, we have the relationships, we have all the DAX expression, and we can even find which are the DAX duplicated. We can see here, this is duplicated, and this is the original one. If we go to another filters, we have the end expressions that the table have, the plot results, the height features, and also the last two options that are very useful. Here we have to kill all the DAXs that aren't used, right? We can do it creating a C chart script, or we can kill it directly here. It's the same with the columns. We can have here all the columns in the tables, and we have two options: remove columns. As you can see here, it changes the end function that is used, and remove other column that we are selecting directly which are the columns that we are going to use. Once we decide what we want to eliminate from the data model, we have many options to do it. We can export a Tyndall script that is very useful right now. We can execute this directly in the report. We also have the one-click cleanup that create a new PBIP, and we can even restore a backup in case that we don't want to eliminate some things that we already do, right? We also have the model best practices. We also can see the report best practices, and we can even execute an what if analyze. When we press here, we can see which is the amount of saving that we will have. And this is how it works, Measure Killer. Hope you will find this useful for you, and hope you start using this tool that will help you to improve your semantic models. Bye bye.